everyone, welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. Here's another episode of Fatty Flips Again. You know, I had to lose over 60 pounds to fit back on roller coasters again, and I've done it. But my goal is to lose 100 pounds or more before I turn 50 years old on February 26, 2021. I'm over 63% there right now in 23 weeks, so I'm way ahead of schedule. I'm not even to the 50% of the year mark yet. It's close, but I'll probably be 70 pounds or something by then, which will be great. But please watch my weekly weight loss results videos. So, I mean, I need all the support I can get. So please hit the like button on this video and click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. All right, so let's go on some thrill rides at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. All right, in this episode, we're gonna go on Mon2, which is a crazy inverted roller coaster where the coaster's hanging below the track. And it's the first coaster in the world to have an Immelmann turn, which is a roll and flip at the same time, named after a German fighter pilot back in some war a long time ago. So let's go on to Mon2.
The coaster as quickly and safely as possible.
All right, here we go.
To your waist and locking your safety belt. Por favor, mantenga sus pertenencias personales bien aseguradas.
In the Mon2.
Please stand behind the white line. The gates are now closing.
Oh yeah.
Por favor, manténgase detrás de la línea blanca. Las puertas
We did it.
ahora.
Fit the fat seat. Go, Mon2. Do it. All right. This is my favorite roller coaster that there is, really. It's got the best turns, best flips. It's got Immelmann. It's the longest one. I love it. Mon2. Busch Gardens parking lot. I don't know if you can see it out there. You might be able to see it when we go down. It's dead. There's more people in the preferred parking than there is across the street. It's the best time ever to come here. See if you can see the parking lot. There it is, straight out there. Nobody's here. Yes. Montu done. Unbuckle. Fun, floorless roller coaster.
Please unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left.
And we're out.
Thank you, and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens. A medida que la montaña se deja por completo, desarrolla el éxito, cuidado, levante y mantenga cuidado para
Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching another episode of Get Fit by 50's Fatty Flips Again. That's me, soon to not be fatty, but be sure to check out all my other POV thrill ride videos too. So have a wonderful day, be safe out there, hit that subscribe button, and please, please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.